Okay, everyone, we're up with that folks here. Opening bell, getting your new business and markets. We started. Hello, everyone. This is my show for today, Monday, the 18th of July. Welcome to the program. Let's just get started. As always, giving you a very brief overview of how the markets across few jurisdictions finished off on the continent on Friday, the 15th. The Nigerian market finished very strongly, 1.7% on Friday, bucking the trend of sluggish trend earlier in the week. Again, the market was down 2 days because of the Muslim holiday, Monday and Tuesday. The BRVM came in just a notch of 0.01%. The EGX on Sunday moved up 1.10% as the EGX 30. The Nairobi Bourse finished Friday negative 1.56%, and the Johannesburg Stock Exchange about 0.6% in the green territory. Okay, let's get on to see what are the big stories on the east coast of the continent. President Kenyatta heading to the Seychelles Islands as part of the bilateral trade and cooperation that it is seeking between East Africa's largest economy and the island of Seychelles. Those 3-day state visit will be very engaging between the leaders of both countries. In the meantime, Rwanda says it suspended the betting activities on local sporting games just as the country tried to rein in some activities that are related to betting and financial services and sports within the East African country. Kenya says it's raising fuel subsidy by $141 million to stem the rising inflation on the back of crude oil prices at triple digits so far this year, but now moderating around the top end of the double digit as we saw over the weekend. And Kenya has outpaced South Africa, Nigeria, outpaces Ghana, Morocco, and Nigeria when it comes to the number of the growth of its supermarkets. That is one good thing that Kenya is beginning to achieve in terms of growth. South Africa, of course, is still the Africa's number one when it comes to the number of retail stores, what you call supermarkets. In West Africa, we've got quite a big stories to sink our teeth into. Today, Nigeria's Debt Management Office will be offering between 210 billion naira and 240 billion naira as the July Naira bond auction on behalf of the Nigerian government, looking to raise about 240 billion naira. The 3 papers will be reopened at the auction, which will be conducted today. That is expected to have some impact on the market liquidity as we go into the third week of the month of July. It's been a very busy week as well. The Central Bank of Nigeria's Monetary Policy Committee meeting started today. The media briefing by the governor, Godwin Emefiele, will be taking place tomorrow, also in Lagos as it were. Then, of course, on Wednesday, the 20th, Zenith Bank PLC listed on the NGX will be holding its 2022 International Trade Seminar. Big names such as Aliko Dangote, the governor of the Central Bank, the founder of Zenith Bank, Jim Ovia, and other big names within the trade and the banking and the exports industry will be attending, including the former CEO of Nigeria Export Promotion Commission. Oil prices down around $100 a barrel to pre-Ukraine war levels. Inflation is likely to be tamed next year when interest rate hikes by the central banks around the world will be taking effect. That's according to the IMF Managing Director, Kristalina Georgieva, speaking at the G20 meeting on Friday. And the IMF says the global growth forecast is likely to be trimmed downwards again because of what you call the darkened outlook for the global economy. With those points in mind, their forecasts. In the meantime, in Southern Africa, the whole problem with Eskom and utility load shedding is not over yet. But South Africa got a few things coming. First is regulation around cryptocurrencies, which is expected to be in place between the next 12 to 18 months. That's according to sources over the weekend. Telkom shares jumped very strongly on Friday on the GSE because MTN is looking to buy the entire shares of Telkom South Africa, part of which was held by the South African government, and combine the two businesses. If that is achieved, it will make MTN much bigger than its current size as the largest telco operating on the African continent. The oil exploration is being planned again off South Africa's west coast after the initial environmental seismic studies was suspended, which was being conducted by Total Energies on the back of activists protesting, digging for oil in South Africa, off the coast of South Africa. Now, another oil exploration has been planned again. The World Bank has announced plans to support Zambia under the new, giving some strength to the current administration in Lusaka, while Zimbabwe's stock exchange has listed agri-backed exchange traded funds as part of deepening the level of liquidity in the Zimbabwean market, try to encourage derivatives also in that particular market. We'll see how that goes moving forward. Trading ETFs. Back to agriculture. Zimbabwe is known as Africa's food basket. So let's touch base with North Africa, where Egypt, Saudi Arabia, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and Turkey are planning to join BRICS. That's according to a Russian newspaper late last week. BRICS is the Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, which was a body of organization formed a couple of years ago with a bank, a development bank that was put on the back of that now. Russia is a newspaper reporting that Turkey, Saudi Arabia, and Egypt are looking to join BRICS. What will the new acronym be? Have no idea. Let's wait and see how that goes. The Prime Minister of Egypt, however, says diesel prices that is increased is the first in 30 months. And good news through the end of last week for Afrexim Bank, Africa's first DFI when it comes to trade finance. Fitch Ratings upgrade Afrexim Bank to BBB, while Global Credit Rating Agency moved Afrexim Bank's rating to A from A-. And Morocco says it's looking to become the world's top fertilizer producer. Russia is on top of that list, as it were. Now, Morocco, via its OCP, which is a group which is one of the world's largest fertilizer production, is increasing base. The government is looking to produce types of fertilizer much more bigger, so that at least there could be more fertilizer, as we see the problem in Ukraine impacting the global supply of fertilizer, in particular to countries within sub-Saharan Africa. That will be a game changer. And that's how we started the New Business and Markets Week for you this Monday. Have a great day, everyone. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now.